system. The nervous system is like our body's control center. It helps us think, move, and react to the world around us. The nervous system is a system that helps us feel, move our muscles, and it controls our body. It's like it helps us remember things, feel, move, and react to the world. Why is the nervous system important? The nervous system is important because it helps us feel pain and touch, move our muscles, think and remember things, react quickly to danger. Our nervous system, if we didn't have our nervous system, we couldn't feel pain or touch, we couldn't move our muscles, we couldn't remember things in our past.